make my way to the market. I wasn't sure what I wanted to cook, but I'm just gonna do something simple. I'm not really gonna cook on the stove. I decided I'm just gonna be making some tuna pesto sandwiches, which are so good and they're super high on protein. But definitely for my next video, I want to do something like carne con papa and some rice on the side, but I still want to know what you guys would like to see me make. So comment your meal suggestions and maybe on the next video, I'll choose one of your guys' meal ideas and cook that. But okay guys, let's go ahead and get these groceries. It's very simple what I need. All I need is tuna, sourdough bread, pesto sauce, tomatoes, and I like to add avocado. So let's go get those groceries.
Right. Yeah.
good morning. It's a new day at work. I'm here waiting to get loaded. I haven't got loaded. It's already 6:10. I put my order down at 5:35, so it's been a little over half an hour that I've been waiting, but hopefully I get called in next to load because I don't like showing up late to my job. But usually when I load up here, I'm usually 5 or 10 minutes late to my job, but hopefully that's not the case today. My job isn't too far either, so I'm not that worried. It's only a 15-minute drive, but I'll update you guys once I'm getting loaded. We loaded on time with 5 minutes to spare. I'm gonna start making my way to the job. I loaded up 5.5 yards, but before I leave the plant, I always do a mental check to make sure I closed my shoe, adjusted the slump on the booster axle. Since I do have more than 4 yards, that axle goes down, and then I got my ticket. So I have my ticket, my chute is closed, my axle pressure has been adjusted, and my slump is good. So that means we're ready to go. Good morning. Hola, good morning, how are you? I just want to record you.
¿Ahora sí voy a salir o no?
Sí. Alright, you guys, we're pretty much done at this job. I just need to go charge, and I did also bring some t-shirts because I wanted to start passing them out to all the batchmans at all the plants and some pumpers I see regularly. So I brought a whole bag of t-shirts of different sizes. I'm gonna go give a t-shirt to the pumper and then as well walk to the backyard to show you guys the result of the pour. Alright, you guys, we're off to the next one. I'll see you guys at the plant. Next job, I loaded a total of 10 yards with Buckeye fiber, color, and it's also 3,500 psi. So we're gonna go ahead and deliver these 10 yards to the city of San Dimas, and I'll see you guys there. I just finished pouring my 10 yards. And I had to be quick because the other truck was already here. I'm not sure how many yards he brought. I'm pretty sure he brought 10. And I think that would be enough. I don't know if they're gonna go make me wait at the plant in case of a cleanup. I'm not sure. But from what I seen, it looks like they'll have just enough with this second truck. So we'll see what happens. I knew it. It's been confirmed. They don't need a cleanup, but I'm here at the plant now. I'm gonna wait for information. I'm not sure if I have another one or that's it. But meanwhile, I'm gonna eat my sandwich that I prepared yesterday, which I've been craving all morning. Guys, I guess that's it for today. Only 2 loads today. Not bad. It is super slow. And I was looking at the weather, guys, and the rain is coming. Rain is coming next week. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And obviously for us, rain means no work. It's really slow. The bad weather's coming. There's about to be a lot of free days. So yeah, it's about to get really slow. But this is normal. It gets slow during the winter time. The summer is supposed to be really busy. So you're just supposed to take advantage of the work in the summer, get your hours and save your money so that when it does slow down, which it normally does during the rain, obviously, you're fine. But yeah, that's crazy. I'll update you guys next week to see if there really is rain because sometimes it's just a little sprinkle. We still come into work. But as of today, I'm done. All I'm gonna do is just rinse out my drum, give my truck a light acid wash, and then go get diesel and then park the truck. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. It's Friday. I have my Friday donut. The heater's on and it's gloomy outside today. Look at this. I'm also already loaded with 10 yards. My booster's down. My booster pressure is adjusted to the correct PSI. My chute's up. I got my ticket and we're ready to go. Update, I'm outside of the plant waiting to get told on how many yards to load for the cleanup on that same job that I was just at. As you guys seen, I took the first load, another truck came and brought the second 10 yards. So now I'm waiting for a cleanup. Meanwhile, I'm gonna have myself some yogurt. Ugh. I don't like when yogurt looks like that, when it has juices. What are you supposed to do? Let me check if this is expired or not. November 26th. Ugh. I have some granola to go with it. Just finished up at this job here. I ended up bringing a 6-yard cleanup and this is what it's looking like. Now the pumper's washing out. I'm actually gonna go give him some t-shirts too because these are pumpers that I regularly see. I'm finally done here. I brought 10 yards of slurry with black color. It's 3:30. I got here at 12:30. 3 hours later, and I have an hour of commute back to the plant. A lot of traffic.